We recently did a cruise on Holland America. We took it from Vancouver, Canada to Whittier, Alaska. From there, we took a bus to Denali and stayed at the McKinley Resort. And we did a couple of excursions, an ATV excursion and then a helicopter excursion onto a glacier. After the 10-hour bus ride from Whittier, Alaska to Denali, we were supposed to do another excursion that was 6 hours on a bus the following day, and I had to tap out on that. There's no way I could get on a bus the next day. So instead we decided to find a couple of excursions to do. The first was the ATV excursion, and then we did this helicopter excursion. Now it was advertised as 2.25 hours, and they pick you up in a shuttle at the McKinley Chalet and then take you to their helipad. And it's advertised as 50 minutes of flight time and 15 to 20 minutes on the glacier. I'd say that was pretty accurate. When you first get to the helipad, they weigh you and give you some boots and have you watch an instructional video. So all that is part of the 2.25 hour excursion, along with the transportation time. There were 6 people aboard the helicopter, 3 up front and 3 in back. My wife lucked out and got one of the front seats, and I was directly behind her. Our whole time in Denali, we had light rain, and during the flight it was the same light rain, but visibility wasn't too bad. And when we were on the glacier itself, it was just spitting snow. Pilot was super nice. She said that she started flying just out of high school, and she was a young 24-year-old pilot, and she was great. I don't think this video will really do it justice. Right here is one of my favorite parts of the flight. She did a bank to the right, and she went right up close to the mountain. You know, you can't see it as well here as obviously you could on the helicopter, but that was one of my favorite parts. Coming in for our landing right here, and we land right next to the most beautiful blue water that I've ever seen. In this next clip, I'm going to fall through the snow. So you had the area that the helicopter landed on, and just a few feet off that was, looked a little different, but I stepped in and not realizing that I was going to just go through into the water. And so anyway, yeah.
Hey, there's some water.
Anybody want some water?
Probably really good drink. Just the snow.
You might have to lay down though to get to that. What do you think, Vicky? It's crazy, huh?
I could say.
Amazing. Landed right here on this little spot. Do you want me to fall in there again?
I think not so much here, but I it doesn't go as high, and it doesn't feel as bumpy as the planes do.
Well, we're headed back now, and I guess the question is it worth it? It's expensive. It's almost $600 a person. And part of it, I think, is we've never been on a helicopter before. So there was a novelty to that and an experience to that we've always kind of wanted to have. So we got that experience out of it. And certainly landing on a glacier, particularly when the glaciers are disappearing, is an experience of a lifetime. Now, would we do it again? I don't think so. I mean, we got that experience. I don't think we would want to spend, $1,200 again to do it. But we did have a great time. Everybody was super friendly. It was really well organized. The transportation to and from the place we were staying, McKinley Chateau, which is owned by Holland America, it was all part of the cruise. So it was a really good experience. It was really well done, and we had a good time. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that we were kind of able to share the experience with you. And thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.